So we're just working on range of motion here, which is doing really good.
I know. Looking fine.
Yeah. So, and in the whole process, and that's kind of the fun part, I'm learning a new language. It's cool that I'm learning a new language, but except it's not cool, right? It's fire.
It's fire.
Yeah,
It's fire.
There you go.
What's up with it? Oh my god. Oh my god, there's one more range.
Yeah, look at that. That's awesome. How's it feel?
Feels fire.
Yeah, good.
Yeah. Or the first time I was doing it on this side, I wasn't going as far, but I'm like now. Feels good.
This is good. This is good.
Oh, you feel that one.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Walking the movie or something. No cheating.
That is fire. Let's do it.
It's good
Getting the
sign.
grind in. Ooh, using oil fire. Look at that.
There you go. That's
Fire.
better. How's it feel? Good?
Fire.
When did you first dislocate?
Well, I would feel it like loose when I would practice last year, but then this year it popped out when we were playing LSU. And then I kept playing on it probably for like 2 more weeks. And every time I would dive, it would pop out. I'm like, oh my god, gotta go see Doc.
Come on.
Got you.
Come on. So it was a labrum, labrum tear. So you had a labrum repair, slap repair. What are you, softball player or something?
Oh my god. This is my glove head, man.
All right, take a little break.
That was at least 3 hours.